Okay, so the recipe here was 2 tins of low fat, low salt baked beans, an onion, a couple of peppers, a teaspoon of chili powder, tablespoon of smoked paprika, and a nice lump of pork. Now this was about £1.5, about 600-700 grams. So that went in the slow cooker for an hour on high and then another 5 hours on low. I'm just taking it out and giving it a good pulling apart. Now this one is, for some reason that I don't quite understand, titled Campfire Stew. Now I wouldn't call any of this a stew. I think it's more like a pulled pork with beans. But either way, it's a Slimming World or Weight Watchers recipe and is apparently good for you. So that's my dinner with some mash. You can have it with rice or with pasta, whatever you like. So I'm just going to leave that in there to heat through. It's not got cold, but just to heat back up again, and then it'll be ready to serve when the mash is done. So see you again next week.